In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish on Figma. Publishing on Figma essentially means sharing your designs, templates, plugins, or other valuable resources with the broader Figma community. It's a fantastic way to contribute to the design ecosystem, showcase your work, and help other designers with useful tools and assets, amplifying your reach and impact. To begin this process, you'll first need to navigate to the appropriate section within Figma. Specifically, you'll direct your attention to the left-hand panel of your Figma interface. It's important to clarify that this isn't the left panel you see when you're actively designing within a specific file. Instead, it refers to the primary navigation panel found on the main Figma web application or desktop app. This is where you typically manage your teams, projects, and crucially, access the community area. This section is your gateway to exploring and contributing to the vast library of shared resources, making your own work publicly available to millions of other Figma users worldwide. Once you've successfully navigated to this community resources management area, you'll then be presented with options related to publishing new assets or managing existing ones. Your next crucial action is to locate and click the Publish button. This button is your entry point for initiating the submission process for your chosen resource. Before you click, it's a good practice to ensure that the file or resource you intend to share is finalized, well-organized, and truly ready for public consumption. Take a moment to review its layers, naming conventions, and overall structure to provide the best possible experience for those who will eventually use it. After clicking Publish, Figma will then guide you through a series of prompts. This is where you'll provide all the essential metadata about your creation. You'll be asked to give your resource a clear descriptive title, write a thorough explanation of what it is, how it works, and its intended uses. You'll also need to assign relevant tags. Effective tags are incredibly important as they significantly help other users discover your work when they search the community. Think about precise keywords that accurately describe your file, whether it's a comprehensive UI kit, a practical wireframe template, an extensive icon set, or an innovative plugin. Additionally, you'll likely need to upload compelling preview images or videos that effectively showcase your resource and select appropriate licensing options to define how others can utilize your valuable work.